What is up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome here. If not, today is another day of my life. I am just gonna show y'all what I do in the nighttime when I get off work. I know I do a lot of stuff like on the weekends and things like that. I'm gonna show y'all my nighttime routine for the days that I go to work. So really just like Monday through Friday, this is majority of what I do. So I just thought I would give that to y'all. So right now, I did get off work and I did have to take a nap when I got in because I had a headache. Yeah, I had a headache. So right now, the time is 5:39. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the time now is 5:39. So I have some cooking to do, some cleaning to do. I need to try to make room for my business today, and then try to get ready to go to bed. Not try to get ready to go to bed. I guess I have to get ready to go to bed, and also I do have to pick my daughter up too. So it's 5:39. I really want to try to be done with everything by 6 o'clock. So we gonna see. That leaves me, what does that leave me? 4 hours and 20 minutes. Did I say 6 or 10? I meant to say 10 if I said 6. So I'm about to get up and get started. I think I'm gonna do the cleaning first so that I can run to the store and pick up my daughter at the same time to kill two birds with one stone. So yeah, we about to get started doing that. I think I want to I really think today I want to do breakfast for dinner. So I'm gonna make me and my baby some breakfast. We do gotta go to the store though, because what I want, I ain't got it at home. So we gotta make time to cook, clean, pick up Catrice, go to the store and eat, and then get ready for bed. So let me stop talking and let me get started. Hey Siri, set a timer for 6 o'clock.
Timers can be set for a time of day, so I set your timer alarm for 6 p.m.
Sleep.
Knocked out of the.
No.
Yes, she was.
You sleep.
Oh.
Patrick, can I sing you
No.
a song? Can I sing you
No.
a song? Can I sing you a
What?
song? Can I sing you a song?
What?
Do 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 die. Do 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 die.
This ain't no R&B shit. I'ma do this. Ain't no R&B shit. Oh, this ain't no R&B.
Wait, you said you didn't know where your shoulder was.
I did, but like I didn't know like it was gonna hit. Like I don't know if I'm gonna hit the door. I'm getting it.
They say the ones with the lines on them are the ones that's spicy. I don't see none with no lines though. Hey, what's that? I know ain't no water about to drip on me. Alright, let's just roll with
It's
this.
gonna come. That's right.
Ooh, I done dropped it. Like a big weirdo. Oops. Oops. I ain't taking it, sorry.
Banana that she had was yellow, right? It was green.
Oh yeah?
And it was like
I'll just get one.
it was really
Alright, I'm just about to make this sausage for him real quick, and then we're gonna go and get Patrice. No, but get out of there. Ouch. Oh, you called Patrice? Call her and tell her I'm about to be on my way in like 15 minutes. Y'all, it is 8:15 and I'm just now about to go get my daughter. I was supposed to been and picked her up by 7:30. It's 8:15. I had to run back in the house after me and Chloe came from the grocery store to just to make my boyfriend something to eat, because I was supposed to do that already and I didn't. And he not eating what we eating, so I'm about to run and pick her up. I have to do something for my business today. I'm trying to make sure I do something every day for my business, because it's my business and how it's gonna work out if I don't work it. So I'm still about to cook up some breakfast and do my business stuff. So I will see y'all when I pick this child up. Lord help me. Yeah, when I pick her up, and then I'm gonna come back home and I'm gonna cook us some food and yeah, do something with this business today. Like, I have to. All right, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get back. What took you so long to come outside?
I was looking for my purse.
Why was you looking for a purse when I told you I was leaving on my way? Put your hands down.
No, why did you record me?
What is done to me? I done.
All right, let me go in this house.
Is this?
Hey, my daddy, what you do? That's unacceptable.
Yes.
Oh, why?
Unacceptable.
I can't explain what you done to me. Oh, I don't feel for my sneaky link. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, shoot. I can't explain what you done to me. I'm about to cook this chicken for these omelets because it's time to eat. I'm hungry as ever and it's late. But I'm just using some garlic powder. This steak seasoning be really, really good on chicken and turkey. So it's good on everything. I just put it on everything. And a little bit of onion powder. I'm not gonna do the pancakes because it's late already. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, I done feel for my sneaky link. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the, first off, that's too hot. And we're gonna get some olive oil. Put it up in there. I don't feel for my sneaky link. It was just supposed to be. this chicken, open it up. And these are chicken thighs, by the way. Okay, y'all. Never mind, my kitchen light is yellow and it's so ugly, but it is. My phone's about to die, but it's officially 10 o'clock. And I said I wanted to be done at 10. But look at my food real quick. Like, ooh, chicken, cheese, jalapeno omelet. Like, what? It's so freaking good. If you haven't tried it, you really need to try it. I love it so much. So much. But anyway, it's 10 o'clock. I really wanted to focus, get something done for my business today. Like, for instance, I just made some candles and I need to cut the wicks off those, and I really want to make room sprays today, but I think what I'm gonna do is get up early in the morning and do that stuff, because I just hate to be rushing it or not doing it right because I'm tired. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that stuff in the morning. I'm trying to get up at 4:30 tomorrow. So yeah, I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. Time just got away from me today, and that's not new. But I'm about to finish eating this, straighten the kitchen back up, and then I'm gonna call them up for the night. I might record tomorrow. We don't say, but anywho, I'm gonna end this vlog here. This is just how my days go on the day to day. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here, and then I will pick up again tomorrow when I'm doing business stuff, but that'll be another video. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.